Okay, guys, this part is a little bonus for you when you talk about partnering using shines. Now, the only thing I want to talk about now is how to get into your shines and out, and more importantly, that you only do your shines when you notice that your partner likes it, okay? I have seen tons of dance partners on the dance floor, female and males. They like their shines so much and they're just doing all their shines, and after about 30 seconds, 60 seconds, you're like, okay, wait a minute, is that one still noticing that they were dancing with me? So first of all, if you let a person go in order to go to your shines, many times it's nice to make it depend on the music. That's the first thing. Okay, so when there's a solo within the music, or there's a part where the music kind of goes into this musical part, it's very nice to throw in your shines. Second thing is, if you're dancing with a partner, it's usually nice to just check if your partner likes it or not. So what I do many times is when we are dancing in crossbody lead style and we're going into a crossbody lead with a partner, what I do many times, I let go with one hand, I start with the basic, and I turn my partner. Now we're loose, we're separated. So now we can kind of check, how do we like this? If I see my partner getting pale and getting totally stressed out, I make sure that I get her back into my arms as quick as possible. I advise all the ladies watching this DVD to do the same. If the guy kind of lets you go, but you can see that he's totally uncomfortable, please do not start throwing in your 100 favorite shines. Just be sure that maybe you do 1 or 2 shines, and just be sure that you are available to go back into your partnering part, okay? Do not forget that. Now, next to that, of course, it's nice to practice your shines, okay, just by yourself. But for that, if you want to do it at home or in a dance company, it's fine. You don't need to have a partner with that. But when you use it on the dance floor, be sure you stay connected with your partner. Now, if you're connected, then be sure that when you do your shines, that one tip is that keep counting, okay? Because many times people start stressing out in how do I get back in my timing? One of the tips is keep counting. So when I let somebody go, and somewhere in my mind I'm like, okay, here we go, 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, my partner is continuing. Let me do another one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Without screaming it out loud, I can do the counts within my head, so I know I'm back on 1. On the other hand, how do you get back? Because now we're doing all those shines, very nice, 2, 3, 4 shines. Before you take your lady back into a basic, be sure that you go back into a basic first, okay? Because sometimes you see guys grabbing the lady on the dance floor while she's in the middle of her shines, like, oh my God. Okay, guys, so all you have to do is start with a basic, and as soon as you see that you're connected with her by, for example, having eye contact, the only thing you have to do is just offer your frame and just go in 1, and you will see that the lady automatically will respond by bringing up this hand. And like this, you stay connected. You can easily get out and into a shine. But again, guys, the most important thing is focus on your partner needs on the dance floor. Okay? Remember and practice.